Stand up for Jesus, the soldiers of the cross. Lift high His royal banner, it must not suffer loss. From victory unto victory, His army He shall lead, till every foe is vanquished, and Christ is Lord indeed. Stand up for Jesus, the trumpet call obey, for to the mighty conflict in this His glorious day, ye daughter men now serve Him against unnumbered foes. Let courage rise with danger, and strength to strength oppose. Stand up for Jesus, stand in His strength alone. The arm of flesh will fail you, ye dare not trust your own. Put on the gospel armor, its peace put on with prayer. Where duty calls or danger, be never wanting there. Stand up for Jesus, the strife will not be long. This day the noise of battle, the next the victor's song. To him that overcometh, a crown of life shall be. He be the King of glory, shall reign eternally.